Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education. Let us get started our video without any delay. Dear friends, in this video, we are going to discuss about various job openings for WNS Global Services. They have variety of positions and it is located in many of the countries, and in India it is located in many of the cities as well. We will discuss what are the job openings available one by one, and you can check the company description, like what is the company about here. You can it is located in many countries like India, China, Costa Rica, Philippines, Poland, Romania, South Africa, Spain, Sri Lanka, Turkey, and UK and US. So this is a MNC, and the headquarters is Mumbai, and the company is founded in 1996. And if we go through the official website link, we can check with the what are the things and what is about the company, what are the technologies they work, what are the departments, like what is the field they work. You can check with detailed information if you browse their official website. So, and the locations in India, like if you see, it is located in Pune, Mumbai, Gurgaon, Chennai, Bangalore, Nasik, Visakhapatnam. So all these positions are available, and in these all positions jobs are available. So if you are not belonging to any of the city, you can skip this video and you can check other videos. In our channel there are many of the videos updated. So if you click on this official website link, we will redirect it to home page. Here you can see they work on different variety of industries. You can check here. There is banking and financial, consulting and professional services, consumer packaged goods, education, healthcare industry, insurance industry, life sciences, manufacturing industry, media and entertainment industry. Like this, there are so many industries they work, and this is a functional solutions. What are the things they are, like what are the hierarchy level they work? You can see here. So if we click on career space, we will be redirected to the career space. Just click on this career space. So we will be redirected to wnscareers.com, this website link. This is belongs to that website only, but this is a different page to apply for the any job. So if we come down, you can see here Asia Pacific, Europe, Africa, and America. So these are all the things available. And there is, if you click on this, you can see all the global locations available. Our India is belongs to Asia Pacific, so click on Asia Pacific. If you click on this, you will be you will get the option to select the city and country as well. Here you can see China, India, Sri Lanka, Philippines. You have to click on India. Now you will get jobs in India, this one, and there will be a drop down button. If you click on this, you can see all these things like this. And if you click on location, you can select which location you wanted to apply. There are many of the locations available, and you can also select the department, which department you are looking for, like information technology department, or corporate functions department, or operations support department, or business process services department, or F&A operations, research and analytics, BFSI operations. So these are all the departments available. And even you can set here which if you are so checking for any particular job. So if you select Visakhapatnam, you can see there is two job openings available in Visakhapatnam location. One is associate operations, and one is associate operations claims processing, and one is business process services department, and another is BFSI operations department. And also you can if you click on the particular job which you want to apply, you will be redirected to the job details, detailed job information. Just click on this. I have clicked on this. You will be redirected to this page. Here you can see detailed information. There is the basic information about the company here. You can check, and job description details provided here, and qualification for this is graduate. Like this detailed information you can see, and there is also the company address details provided here. You can check with that. If you are interested, you can click on I am interested and you can apply for the job. If you click on I am interested, you will be redirected to this page. You can drop your resume here. If you click on, it will be asked to like this. You can select any of the what do you want to apply. You can select, and also you can share your resume through these links, like what if you wanted to apply through LinkedIn or Smart Profile or Indeed. If you have accounts in this, and if you have given clear information on this links, your social media links, you can also apply through these links. It will be directly taken your details as well, and you have to fill this information, your first name, last name, and email id, and the same email id you have to fill, location you are looking, and your contact number. And if you have any experience, you can add here. You just click on this add button, and you can add title and the company name, where you have worked, and the description, what type of work you have done, and this is the duration which you have worked in the previous company. Or if you are still working means, you can select this. The end date, no need to, like to date is no need to enter. So this is the thing. And then education details, if you click on this institution, what is the subject and the degree name, BE or BTech or any BSc, like that you can fill here. And location and description, what is the about, how, what, if you have done any project means, you can describe here, or anything important you can apply. And if you have any of the social medias, or if you have any particular website about you, like blog, you can also link on the, you can provide the links to that here, LinkedIn link or Facebook link of your profile, or Twitter link, like that. And you can browse your resume there, or here you can browse your resume. And HR manager, you have to write about yourself, like let the company know about your interest working there, why you wanted to work there. Definitely it is must to include. It should be very professional and it should be attractive. You can write your own words, and what is the interest there you are finding. You can go through the website once, and you can get more information, and you can describe why you are interested in that profile, or in a company to work. So this is the thing. If you click on next, you will be redirected to apply page, so you can successfully apply for the job. If you face any problem, let me know in comments. Definitely I will be replying for that. So this is the thing. You can apply for any kind of job same way, if you are suitable for the job description. Mainly you have to check with the job description, like for every job there will be a job description like this. You can check with that. And qualification is mostly graduate only. Next, if you see for location, view all, click on view all. Then if you select next Bangalore, there are three positions available in Bangalore. One is under research and analytics department, and also one more is research and analytics, and one more is BFSI operations. If you click on this, same way you can apply. Qualification is BE or BTech, and they are asking for overall 5 years of experience, and some of the software tools and the languages they mentioned, you can check with that. Like this you can check all the jobs one by one, and if you are suitable for any of the job, you can apply for the same. Next, if you click on Chennai, you can see there is 4 positions available: management trainee, and senior analyst, group manager, and deputy manager information security. And again, next under Nasik, there is 3 positions available. One is assistant manager operations, group manager transactional quality, and India associate senior associate operations healthcare medical coder. So those the 3 positions available in Nasik location. Then in Pune location, you can see there are many of the jobs available in for Pune location under operation support department and corporate functions department, F&A operations department. Like there are many jobs under many departments. You can check here like senior group manager, senior associate customer service voice, and associate voice group manager. Many of the jobs available. We can check one by one. If you click on any of the job, if you are looking or if you are feel you are suitable, you can just click on that particular job and you can check job description and what are the qualifications and what are the skill set you need. All the details you can check, and if you just click on I'm interested button, you can apply for the job. So you can click on any of the job and get to know more information about the particular job. And like that, there are many of the jobs you can check. If you face any problem, let me know in comments. Definitely I'll be replying for that. So for Pune location, there are many jobs for this company. Next, if you see, click on view all. For Mumbai location also you can find many of the job openings under information technology department and under corporate functions department. Only all these 2 departments, there are many of the jobs available. And there will be a fresher openings under like senior positions as well. You have to check individually with each one by clicking on the particular job. If you go through the qualifications and job description, you will get to know, and if you are suitable for that particular skill set and if you meet the requirements, you can apply for the same. So there is a assistant manager graphic design, like that many of the jobs available. Technical director and the director position, deputy manager, senior analyst operations, general leader. Like this, there are many of the positions available. Deputy manager, TS Java developer. So under the mobile location as well, there are many of the job openings are available. And enterprise risk manager, 5 years of post, CR, MBA finance, statical. Like this, many of the job, for many of the qualifications and experience as well available. And if you click on view all again, you can check with the job openings at Gurgaon. There is a job openings like assistant manager, Android developer, senior associate, research analytics, lead associate, mortgage underwriting. Like this, many of the job openings available. If you wanted to, if you feel any of the job openings suitable for you, you can just click on that, and you can check the job description and qualification details, and you can apply for the job if you are interested. Like if you just click on the interested button, you will be redirected to the apply page, and you can fill all your details. Like this, you can fill out your name, for email ID, everything, and experience. You can include education details and any of the your social media profile links you can provide, and you can also upload your resume. You can write whatever why you are interested in that position or in this company. Like this, you can just click on, after filling out, you can click on the next button. If you face any problem, let me know in comments. Definitely I will be replying for that. And these are all the locations available. Once again I'm telling: Pune location, Mumbai location, Gurgaon, Chennai, Bangalore, Nasik, Visakhapatnam. All these locations jobs are available. You can check one by one. And that's it in this video, guys. I'll be coming up with a new video and new job openings or new companies or MNC or any of the local companies and city-based companies, state-based companies. I'll be coming up with more videos. Please subscribe the channel and encourage me to do more videos. Let me know if you have any questions in comments, and let me know if you wanted me to do any of the jobs related, or if you let me know in comments below. I will be replying for that if you face any problem as well. And let me know question if you have any queries or questions, or if you wanted me to do on any particular company or location. Let me know in comments. I'll be reading each and every comment. Thank you so much, guys, for the support, and thank you so much for watching the video. Please like, share the channel with your friends and family members as well. Thank you very much. That's it in this video, guys. Please subscribe my channel to encourage me to do more videos, and I will be coming up with a new topic in the next video. Please like, share our video with your friends and family members as well. And if you want me to speak on any topic, let me know in comments. Thank you.